Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2010 Dodge Challenger. The homie Rivy just came through with the battery for that Dodge Challenger.
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Oh,
Where's the good stuff?
I got the good food, bro.
Where's the good stuff at?
Yeah, bro, check me out.
There it is. 94R for all y'all that are interested. 94R is the group size of this battery. So let's go ahead and get this started. Push the old one to the side. Pick up the new battery. Put it into the battery bag. Might need both hands. Alright, once we have the battery in place, we're going to go ahead and remove these terminal protectors from the positive and negative side. And we're going to go ahead and connect the positive side first. There it is. Alright. Then we're going to connect the negative side. Let's go ahead and do it like this. Oh, this one's upside down actually. Whoopsie. Do it like this, that way we get access to it. Sweet. And this one has a battery strap right here, but it's missing some things. Oh, I think it just goes latched onto this right here. There it is. You just pull this. There it is. That's how that works. That way you have nice strap battery without battery clamp. Alright, so let's go ahead and tie this down. We're going to be using a 10mm wrench to get this done. Does not matter which side you start off with, as long as you get them both done. Alright, and I'm going to use both hands because I need to push this in. Yeah. Alright, and once you have both of the terminals nice and secured, battery's nice and secured with this extra tie down that it has, you're set. Let's go ahead and close this cover all the way down. Oh, look, it has an amp back there. Alright, and there it is. Let's go ahead and pick up our trash. And that is how you install a new battery on a 2010 Dodge Challenger. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit that bell. All right, let's get out of here before we get kicked out.